One of the funniest reactions you'll see out of Samoans is when you bust out speaking Samoan and they weren't expecting that from you. It doesn't have to be a lot, but if you say in Samoan the right thing at the right time and in the right context, watch their reaction and their eyes like, you speak Samoan? I'm going to show you a simple phrase where you can get this reaction. It's just as easy as the bad words, but it's way more meaningful. Practice saying this, e yaisao, and then fill in the blank, whatever you're asking for. E iai means presently have or to possess, present tense marker e, and the action is iai, have or possess. A lot of you know that sao means to come, but in this context it means your. Then on the end you just put a Samoan word that you know, and it's okay to look it up on Google if you don't. And with this phrase, a lot of times you'll even hear people say the English word at the end. Let's say uokama. Eyasa uokama. Have your boyfriend, or in this context you're asking, do you have a boyfriend? There's other ways to say this, but we're going to keep it really simple. Eyasa bengi. Eyasa kupe. Eyasa bingo. Practice that and remember to say the right thing in Samoan at the right time and in the right context, and watch them be like,
master this phrase to surprise Samoan speakers.